You've seen it 100 times. That tiny blue jar sitting in your bathroom, collecting dust. But what if I told you that this $2 jar can make you look like you've spent hundreds on skincare? I'm serious. Vaseline isn't just for dry lips. It's one of the most underrated beauty and confidence tools ever created. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful Vaseline hacks that'll instantly upgrade the way you look and feel. And trust me, hack number 5 is what models secretly use before a photo shoot. Why they should care. Most people think looking good is about expensive products, long routines, or genetics. But the truth? It's about tiny habits, the small things that separate average from attractive. I've tested over 20 grooming tips that influencers and dermatologists recommend, and out of all of them, these 5 Vaseline hacks gave real results. They're simple, affordable, and they work on everyone. So let's dive in, starting with the glow trick that instantly changes how people see you. Hack number 1, the natural glow trick. You ever wake up, look in the mirror and think, why do I look so tired? That's not fatigue, that's dryness. Dull skin reflects less light, making you look older and less alive. Here's the fix. Take a tiny bit of Vaseline, literally half a fingertip, and dab it gently on your cheekbone, eyelids, and lips. Instantly, your face reflects light better. You get that hydrated, clean, camera-ready look, the kind people notice but can't explain. It's a trick that celebrities and makeup artists use daily, and it costs almost nothing. Pro tip: never smear it all over your face, just highlight. Think glow, not grease. When you step into sunlight or under indoor lights, your skin subtly shines. You look healthy, awake, and confident, because when your skin glows, your energy glows too. Hack number 2, eyebrow and hair shaper. Have you ever noticed how some people always look clean, even if they're wearing a basic t-shirt? It's the details, like neat eyebrows and controlled flyaway. Take a fingertip of Vaseline, warm it between your fingers, and gently run it over your eyebrows or baby hairs. Instantly, everything stays in place. No sticky gel, no residue. For men, it defines your face. You look sharp without overdoing it. For women, it frames your eyes effortless elegance. The beauty of this hack is subtlety. Nobody will notice what you used. They'll just notice that you look better, because when you control the small things, the world sees you differently. Hack number 3, perfume booster. Long-lasting fragrance. Let's talk about something that leaves a lasting impression. Your scent. Perfume is powerful. It can make people remember you or forget you in seconds. Here's the trick. Before applying perfume, rub a small amount of Vaseline on your pulse point, your neck, wrists, behind your ears. Then spray your perfume over it. The Vaseline locks in the fragrance molecules, slowing down evaporation. Your scent lasts hours longer. It's basic chemistry. Oil traps scent better than dry skin. The result: you smell fresh and confident all day long. And here's the best part. People remember scent more than faces. When you smell good, you leave a silent impact. You don't need to say a word. Your presence speaks for you. Hack number 4, shoe and accessory shine. Imagine this: you're dressed perfectly, your hair looks great, but your shoes, dusty, your watch strap, dull. You might not notice, but others will, because clean accessories signal discipline. Take a small amount of Vaseline, rub it on your shoes, belt, or bag. Within seconds, it adds a smooth shine. No polish, no effort. For leather, it hydrates and protects. For metal, it gives that subtle, clean finish. Next time you're heading to a meeting, interview, or even a date, do this. It says, I care about the details, and that's what confidence is. Not perfection, but precision. The difference between average and attractive is often a 30-second habit. Hack number 5, overnight lip and nail therapy. Most people overlook the small things. Dry lips, rough hands, cracked nails. But here's the truth. Others notice those things. Maybe not conscious, but subconsciously they register it as careless. So here's what you do. Every night before bed, apply a thin layer of Vaseline to your lips and cuticles. As you sleep, it locks in moisture and repairs the skin barrier. When you wake up, your lips are soft, your hands look clean, and your nails look healthy. It's not about looking fancy, it's about looking fresh. For men, this adds subtle polish and maturity. For women, it enhances natural elegance. You don't need filters or makeup, just quiet confidence, because the small habits you do in private build the confidence you show in public. Let's recap the 5 hacks that'll change how you see yourself. 1, the glow trick. Bring life back to your face. 2, the eyebrow shaper. Control the details. 3, the perfume booster. Leave a lasting impression. 4, the shoe shine. Show discipline in your look. 5, the overnight therapy. Invest in quiet confidence. Looking good isn't about ego. It's about self-respect. Every small act of care tells the world, I value myself. So don't underestimate that little blue jar. It's not just Vaseline. It's a symbol of transformation. Start today, because when you look better, you feel better. And when you feel better, you start showing up as your best self. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for the next one. 5 ordinary things that make you look instantly expensive. Take care of yourself because you're worth it.